I'm going to be walking you through creating an application with the University of California. First, you must log on to the website apply.universityofcalifornia.edu/my-application/login. When you're on the site, which looks like this, you will see at the bottom an option to create an account. Go ahead and click this. Once you have done so, you will be prompted to enter an email address and password. Please make sure to use an email address that you have access to and know the password to. I suggest using a personal email instead of a school email. School emails can block out messages from universities. Later down the line, this can result in missing important information for your application. After filling out the information, click the Create an Account option. After creating your account, you will see this page. It will ask you, when do you hope to start at the University of California? If you're a first-time freshman applying from high school or from community college, you will enter fall quarter semester 2021. Do not enter fall quarter fall semester 2020. If you continue the application under fall 2020, you will have to restart your entire application if you want to apply under fall 2021. After this, you will select your application level. If you're applying from high school, you will select freshman. It does not matter if you have taken community college courses, you will still put freshman. Congratulations, you've created your account.